we replace books with tablets, right?
Good morning, everybody. I would like to share my views. Should we replace books by tablets? So, firstly, I would like to start with the comparison of the production of books in India and the production of tablets in India. So, India is the sixth largest book producing country, and ranked third in the production of the books in English after UK and USA. And India rose 48th place in 2018 and 44th rank this year. Has the country As the country has improved overall in all the factors, knowledge, technology, future weakness, as compared to the previous year's ranking. So I think so that India can adopt the tablets, but this is not the right time for them.
But there's a big difference between Japanese education system and Indian education system. The introduction of tablets has definitely revolutionized our education system. But I think technology has its pros and cons. We should not directly rush in to the technology. We should evaluate it first, understand its advantages and disadvantages. What effects does it have on the child? Does child enjoy learning from it? Definitely the circumstances have because of the circumstances, tablets virtual learning has become need of the hour. But I think to adopt this system in Indian culture, we still need to evolve much. Yes, sir.
So I would like to say that it is the time to modernize ourselves, but in only specific areas. We still have so much to develop. Where there is better standard of living, we can modernize ourselves, and where there is not, we should develop those areas first, and then we should change their education system.
India is a highly populated country, and just because it is India, and all our systems are very, very, very different. Some of them are organized, some of them are not organized. So it will take a long process to change it.
According to me, as technology has rooted its way into our body, to day-to-day existence, education has been changed with the information at the tips of our fingers, and now the learning is boundless. According to me, the tablets should be replaced with the textbook, because textbooks are more heavier than the tablets.
Our teachers are qualified, but the main problem in our education system is our education ministers and other authorities, which did not allow us to adopt these technologies. But due to this pandemic, we can say that we are adapting these technologies, and in coming future, the use of these technologies will increase definitely.
I want to add to Sarthak's point. Also, because in our country, teachers are overwhelmingly underpaid. They are not paid adequately. So that's why I think first we need to pay the teachers right.
Yes, sir, but I think that the world which we are living in revolves around the technology. As we have switched from blackboard to digital board and whiteboard, almost in every school we will see the whiteboards and laptop. So I think that it's time to switch on to the tablets, and we should replace our books. Yeah.
In this world where technology has overcome everything, we need to replace our books with tablets. It is proved to be the most efficient learning tool nowadays, and tablets do our brain too.
During the childhood, every child should give a chance to expose their self, to identify their pros and cons. If we give them new technologies and Googles in their education system, they will not even search for a single word or a calculation. Despite of that, they will go for Google, and this will be a habit for them, and this will be very harmful for them.
Okay. Contradict the point of Karishma, that the technological expert of India, Parsan Toke Roy, says that presently no studies in India indicate to use the tablets or multimedia device to improve the education.
Tablets, if you use tablets, and in case if the tablets are lost or it gets damaged, So it will be difficult for us to recover all the study material which is in it. So we should not replace it by books.
That the bags are heavier. I want to share an example of Ashoka Universal School. They have started an initiative in which schools are providing lockers to their students, and they keep all their books in the school, and he only takes limited number of books to his home which he wants to study today. So the weight of the bag becomes very low, and the problem is solved.
So I think government can't reach everywhere. There's economic inequality in a country. Not everyone
Government
can
has
afford.
reached, Chinmay, government has reached in those Jan Dhan Khata and Jan Dhan account and all, right? They have reached people.
Yes, definitely, sir. I agree with you. But there are still lots of thousands of villages which do not have access to basic electricity.
Absolutely, I agree.
They don't have India still lies at the bottom of the internet and penetration index. We just have 40% of the population using internet. So
Yeah.
it's introducing tablets into our education system. It's just like it would be like we are running before we can learn to walk.
Okay.
Education, both Union Education Ministry as well as State Education Ministry should pour money into basic education facilities like improving the pay of teachers,
And
providing good classrooms,
proper good classrooms. Yeah,
yes,
right.
interactive, and as far as learning is concerned, sir, if a child is interested, he can learn from a book as well. It's not necessary that he can learn only from tablet. If he is interested, if he wants to learn, if he has the hunger, he can learn from anywhere, not only a book. So I think a tablet is far away. I think but first improve our basic
Okay.
educational infrastructure first.